Hello friends, I am Myky and welcome back to the Electronic Team channel. In today's guide, I will show you how to connect to FTP server on your Mac. I have my own FTP server where I store personal files to save free space on my Mac.
And since I also use cloud storage services such as Google Drive and OneDrive, it's much more convenient for me to utilize a single app that works with all of them and also serves as an FTP client for Mac.
That's where CloudMounter comes in.
CloudMounter is compatible with both Mac and Windows and allows you to connect an unlimited number of different storage services to your Mac. It can connect to FTP server, connect to SFTP, and many other services, all in one place.
So let me show you how to connect to FTP or SFTP using CloudMounter.
First, launch CloudMounter. If you don't see a window with available cloud services, then click the CloudMounter icon in the menu bar and select New Drive. You'll see an FTP and SFTP button. Click on it and configure your new connection. Enter a name for your connection and select the type: FTP, FTP with TLS SSL, implicit TLS SSL, or SFTP. Then enter the server address and select a port for this connection. Finally, enter your username and password and click Mount. That's it. The best SFTP client Mac solution has done its job. Once you mount your FTP or SFTP server, you will see it in Finder or on the desktop, and you can begin the FTP file transfer process. Another great feature of CloudMounter is its ability to connect an unlimited number of FTP servers and transfer files between them without any restrictions. You can also connect cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive and exchange files between them.
By the way, check out our video tutorial on how to connect and transfer files to Dropbox from Mac.
It is important to note that CloudMounter transfers files between storage services without having to download them to the system. You can simply drag and drop files between services.
I also use CloudMounter's file encryption feature. I made a video on how to encrypt files in the cloud on our channel. You can watch it here. Thank you for your attention. Now that you've discovered a cool SFTP client for Mac and learned how to mount SFTP Mac, you can improve your daily Mac experience. I also want to remind you that in the description below this video, you can find a discount coupon for CloudMounter. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!